Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I want to show you a very simple trick on your mobile phone, and this very simple trick would help you create multiple user for your mobile phone. For instance, let's say you have a phone and you want to create another profile. Let's say you want to create another WhatsApp profile for your phone. So your settings should be, you come to your settings, which is this. So you come to your settings right here, of course, and when you come to your settings right here, I want you to search. You just go directly to search. You don't need to do anything. Just search for users. Just search for users this way. It's as easy as that. Just search for users. Depending on the Android device you use, Samsung users can do this. OnePlus, Infinix, there are a lot of devices that can do this. So you're going to choose multi-user. Yes. And sometimes you have to allow multi-user, as you could see from here. So you see allow multi-user. So let's check the allow multi-user. So when you check the allow multi-user, you will see that this is on. Make sure allow multi-user is on. That's the major settings. And the major thing you have to search is users. Remember, when you search for users, you will see both multi-user, both the multi-user system and allow multi-user. So you could actually do that. You could assign storage to the other users, but the major thing you want to focus on is you should allow multi-user. As you could see from here, allow multi-user, and when you allow multi-user, we're going to click on multi-user to be able to use the multi-user system. So let's click on that right now so I can explain the modalities to you. So I'll click on multi-user right now, and as you can see from here, I allowed multi-user, and here I have my main profile, which is this. But now you can add a guest user, and let's say you want to do something quick, or you want to give a guest your phone, you could use a guest user, or you add another profile on your same device. So you could add user, and when you want to add user, you see when you add a new user, that person needs to set up their space. Any user can update apps for all other users, as you could see. So this is you adding a new user. It's going to create a new profile for you, and the new profile, you'll be able to set up everything you want to set up. You'll be able to download a new app, you'll be able to download a new WhatsApp, you'll be able to download new apps entirely and start creating a new profile with your app. You can create as many as possible user, but right now that's how to use multi-user on your Android device. Go check it out. If you've not subscribed to my channel just yet, do remember to subscribe. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.